Hi, welcome back to my channel. So essentially today I'm going to be doing the opposite of a makeup tutorial, and I'm hoping that I can get some tips and recommendations from the random people that click on this, kind of like a Reddit post. Because I feel like throughout the past few years it's almost like I don't know how to do my makeup as well as I used to be able to do it. When I was like 22, 23, I used to love, even when younger than that, I used to love doing makeup, and I had a lot of makeup and I loved playing with makeup. And I feel like going through college and stuff like that, I just kind of stopped doing cool makeup and I would just do like an everyday look. But even now when I do an everyday look, I just don't think it looks that good on me. So this is going to be an anti-tutorial essentially. I'm hoping I'm going to post this video and then I get a couple comments being like, oh, you should try this product, or maybe you should try doing your brows like this. Oh yeah, that's a little bit brighter. Another reason I was thinking why I don't like my makeup as much as I used to, like years ago when I liked my makeup, is because I'm not blonde anymore. I was very blonde before, and now I'm my natural hair color. And maybe like since I was like 18, I had bleach blonde hair, and that's when I used to like playing with makeup. So I was learning how to do my makeup around having super blonde hair. So yes, look, take a good look. Is there anything, like if you look at my face, are you thinking thinner brows? Or are you thinking more arched brows? Are you thinking straighter brows? Are you thinking lighter brows? I did, when I first went back to my natural hair color, I used to bleach my eyebrows, not like blonde, but just like a little lighter brown. We get very pale, so I was thinking maybe it's just like too dark, so like maybe if I lighten up my eyebrows, I don't know. But here's basically how I do my makeup on a daily basis. I got this recently, which I'm always a fan of a lighter foundation, especially in Singapore because it's hot. But even before then, when I lived in Miami, I started using tinted moisturizers, yeah, like skin tints. I started using in Miami because like foundation is just too much. And I got this one from Eldridge. It's a new one and it's called Enhancing Tint. Yeah, today I'm just gonna use this brush from Hourglass because I don't feel like getting my hands all gross. It's so funny when I think about the videos I like to make, or I liked to make when I was younger, were makeup videos and like makeup tutorials, because I really did watch so many videos and I loved doing like different eyeshadow looks and just different looks in general. But after I moved to Miami, it's so hot. You can't wear as much makeup because you just sweat it off. So that lends itself to me kind of just doing my makeup different since I moved there. Another thing I saw was this girl on Instagram did Asian makeup. I was thinking about doing a makeup video replicating Asian makeup because I am. I don't really know. I think it could work for me though. I'm not fully Asian, but well, according to my sister's, she did like this genetic test thing. It wasn't a 23andMe. She did it because she wanted to see like health things that she was predisposed to, so she got this whole thing. And according to hers, we are extremely Asian. Now I know that, I mean, I didn't think I got a lot of my mom's skin color wise or hair type wise, a lot of her black features, but we have way more Asian in us than I thought. So I don't know if like my dad's family history, yeah, apparently we're way more Asian than I thought. So yeah, maybe that makeup will look good on me. I don't know. I just know whenever I do my makeup, I'm never like, ooh, pretty. Like before, after I used to do my makeup, I would just be like selfie, 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 because I would feel so pretty, I would look so pretty. Now I'm just like, that'll do for today. But now I'm gonna use the Eldridge Seamless Pinpoint Concealer. I don't know how I feel about this. I swear every time I put it on, I barely like touch it and it goes away. So I don't know. I also know it's supposed to be for like acne, I think. And I don't really have acne problem. Well, today I have this bump right here that kind of looks like a mosquito bite, but could be a mosquito bite, could be zit, I don't know. I'm gonna put it over that. I also like putting it over like my dark spots where I have like a cluster of freckles. Like I said, I'm not 100% sure this is doing anything, but I still do it. Mainly because I bought it and I feel like I want to use it. Glass concealers. I have one in cotton and one in oat. One thing that I've been trying to do that I never really did before was not go all the way up to like my lash line. Not really convinced that that does anything, but it's what I've been doing. And then definitely over my eyelids because my eyelids are dark. I have these veins, especially on my right side, right by my lips, that are dark. It's like a green vein that like runs right there, and I cover those up a little bit. So essentially this is the base of what I do. This one in Macchiato, which is a cream. Instead of under my cheekbone, I put it like right on my cheekbone. Now I'm going to powder my face. I don't use a lot of powder because I have extremely dry skin. And even though I live in Singapore, like, I got dry skin. Like, I just can't do too much. I started doing this because other people were doing this, and then I stopped doing it because I felt like it was putting too much powder. And then the last time I did my makeup this weekend, I did it again, and I'm kind of back on it. So yeah, basically you just take one of these little triangle things, get some powder on there. I wipe off the excess because, like I said, I'm dry. If I put too much powder, it'll just look very bad. And I just go under my eyes with this on my lid, kind of just where I put concealer, but not where I put just like skin tint, which it looks like this. I don't think so. I think I'm gonna use this one actually, the Patrick Ta one. And I'm not gonna use this one, which is the cream one. I'm just gonna use this one. Another thing is blush placement. I've been trying to like switch up how I place my blush, but in the end it never looks that different. So foundation brush, and then I just diffuse. It's hard to do in this little baby mirror. I can't see anything that's going on. Something that I've been doing since I moved to Singapore is I got a lash lift, and I really like that. I'm gonna do it again actually in a couple weeks. So I really like that. So that's a new thing I've been doing. And I usually go for these two colors on the bottom. Definitely this one has the biggest dent in it. And I just place it in my crease to add something like that. I usually don't use any eyeshadow underneath, but if you think that could look good, let me know your recs below. Yes. And then lastly, for my eyes, I definitely have always done a wing. I think a baby wing, I do still stand by. I think a baby wing looks best on me. Brown, black, I don't know. I'd like to do brown, but whenever I do brown, it doesn't look brown. I want, if you have a recommendation for a brown liquid eyeliner that you like, that makes your brown eyes look like warm brown, because that's what I want. I almost feel like I need like a chocolatey, chestnutty brown, because the brown I have is like cool tone, and it almost looks black. It doesn't. I only do the middle out, and I just do like the slightest baby wing. Oh good, this is dry. This is the brown I use, and this is the one I don't even think it does anything for me, but like that. Oh, this is getting dry too. Like that. It's almost like a non-existent wing. Oops. I did this one a little longer, so. Going in with my second curl, because if you have straight eyelashes, you know. Ooh, what a good lash day. Ooh, what a good lash day. And I'm not even doing anything today. Of course. I'm getting them threaded for the first time, and I don't think I've gotten my eyebrows done, like waxed or threaded, in probably 5 years, because I never got them done in Miami. So we'll see how that goes. And color I always use. I always use taupes or blondes, and I haven't really updated my makeup since I was extremely blonde. So yeah. Also, I don't see myself liking a darker color than like a taupe or a blonde, because I don't love super dark eyebrows on me, especially now with my darker hair. So I'm thinking the next color I try will maybe be like a chestnut or like a warmer brown rather than like a cool, but still on the light side. Even though I have dark hair on my eyebrows, I don't want to use a dark brown on my eyebrows. I just know I won't like it. These two products, which is like a pH reactive or whatever type thing. This one is in the color 1, and this one is Soleil. So this is the one with like the little gold flakes inside. So today I will do this one. So I just put it on. And brushes. Oh, here we go. Stone. I like taking stone around the perimeter of my lips with this one. I just don't like it. I mean, it's fine. Obviously, like, it looks fine. But I think it just doesn't suit me. Like, I don't think I'm doing makeup that suits me. Please leave your recommendations below. Either product recommendations, application recommendations, different, like, beauty YouTubers or whatever. Leave them below. But thank you for watching this video. Thank you for clicking on this video. And if you did leave me a comment or recommendation, thank you. Yeah, so this is my everyday look. Like I said, I think I'm gonna do another one of these for like what I would do for a night out, and then also I would like more recommendations. Anyway, so yeah, this is my finished makeup look. I'm really hoping I get some good feedback on this video. So thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, you've been on YouTube. You know the drill. If you want to see my videos pop up in your subscription feed, subscribe if you liked it, if you would want to see more of my content. Other than that, I will talk to you next time. Bye.